Hey, it's Miss Alana here, working on math, getting smarter and smarter every day, just like you. We are working on today's work. It is Wednesday, August the 30th, 2017. So today there are two videos I already recorded and posted the other one. What's up with the light? It's like so weird. Nothing's happening to the light, but it seems like the screen is going in and out. I have to watch it to see if it's happening. All right, so this is the second video. The other video, we worked on evaluating expressions using the correct order of operations. And in this one, we are going to practice some multiplication using the two strategies. What are those two strategies? Standard algorithm and the area model / partial products, which are two other different ones, but we're just going to combine them together because they're very similar. Now, I know that some of the stuff wasn't that clear, like the board is not that clear. The glare, the way that the camera takes a picture of it, it's not that clear. Hopefully my face is coming clear to you. You know what I noticed too? Like your skin. I notice my skin get clear when I'm eating healthier. So put your hands up if you like to eat healthy. That's right. Not only does it help your body, it helps your mind. And it just helps everything. It helps your body do better, look better, your mind think better, function better. So eat healthy every day, all day, every day. Maybe junk just a little bit. All right, moving along. What was I talking about? Oh, how clear the screen is. All right, so here are your multiplication problems if you need them. Remember to write the date, Wednesday, August 30th, multiplication practice, the standard algorithm, and the partial products right there. Is it straight? I can't tell. Is it straight right there? All right, zoom it in right there for you. Pause it if you need to pause it. All right, let's begin. Now, like I've been doing all week, I am not going to do all the problems with you. I will show you one, you do the rest, all right? I have my handy-dandy calculator with me to help me check my work, but also when you do the two strategies, raise your hand if you notice like, my answer's right. Yes, so I know I'm right. Or sometimes you're like, my answers don't match up. I messed up somewhere. Make sure you always go back and figure out where you messed up. Because guess what? When I made a mistake, I'm just like, you got to go back and try to find it. But you're too smart to not find it. So go look for it when you mess up. All right. Are you ready to begin? Number one. All right. Number one, we have what? 325 times 48. We are going to write it vertically. I should not see it horizontal like that. I just wrote it like that so we can write the problems. And first, we need to multiply by what? By the 8. So I am going to circle the 8 just like that. Please use a pencil. I'm just using this pen so that you can see it clearly. 8 times 5 is 40. Write the 0 plus 4. And then what? 8 times 2 is 16, plus the 4 is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Write the 0 plus 2 on top of the 3. Then we have 8 times 3 is 24, plus the 2 is 26. Now, I need for you all to make sure that you are practicing your multiplication facts. Use the videos that we have on this channel. You can even find other videos on YouTube. Use the flashcards we have in the room. Make some at home. Get some at the store. Have a parent or a brother, sister, or grandma, grandpa, whoever, uncle, aunt, cousin, neighbor. No stranger danger. Well, not no stranger danger. Stranger danger for sure. No strangers for you. Test you with some math drills. All right. So we are done with the 8. I will cross that out. Cross out everything you carried. And now I'm going to circle the 4 because that's the next thing I need to multiply with. And don't forget what? Don't forget your placeholder. Put that 0. And now we multiply what? 4 times 5. So remember you put that placeholder right there. And you know what? I'm going to go ahead and put a little slash through it so you know that that's my placeholder. 4 times 5 is 20. Write the 0 plus 2 up top. Then we have 4 times 2 is 8 plus the 2 is 10. Write the 0 plus 1 up top. And then 4 times 3 is 12 plus that 1 is 12, 13. Add them together. Now, some of you all are doing the work right, but then you're forgetting that plus sign right there. Make sure that you have the multiplication symbol there and the plus sign right there, okay? 0 plus 0, that's 0. 0. 6 plus 0 is 6. 3 plus 2 is 5. 1, and we need a symbol. What is that? Your comma right there. Bam, just like that. Using my calculator, let me check it. 325 times 48. Yes. Bam. It matches. Woo. Got that right. Moving on. And what strategy was that? Standard algorithm. Now we're going to do the area model, partial products. I'm going to do that on the side. Now I know some of you all did your work. Let me see. Like this. Now this is from today. Oh, you're trying to copy my answers? What? I'll let you peek at it real quick. All right, so that is, I have the standard algorithm and then the area model partial products underneath. So this time I'm going to put them side by side. All righty, let me see. These boxes always give me a hard time. They actually give me a hard time. All right, let me see. Oh my gosh. Let me see. It's great to always be able to look back at your notes to see how you can do that. All right, let me see. I'm going to write what? Remember, you have to do what? Expanded form. So I'm going to write, let me just double check, because I don't want to make these boxes since I'm using this pen and then mess up on it. Okay. I'm going to write 40. 48 is what? Expanded form. 48. So go ahead and make your box. I'm going to do this. We could chat while I'm doing this. What do you want to talk about? How's your day? How's your day going? I hope you all had a good day today. I had a good day today. So we finished testing today. And I am going to, how did you all do on that? I hope you all did well. Remember, I told you no worries if you did not do well on your STAR test today. That's where you start. Start at the beginning of the year, and the whole point is to make improvements this whole year, okay? So definitely by the end of the year, your score should have increased and grown a lot. Okay, don't just listen to me. You need to draw while you're listening. I want your score to go up, and remember, I told you all today that with effort, you do better and better. Remember, get smarter every day. Practice hard every day, because no matter what you're doing, raise your hand if you want to be an athlete. Or I know some of you already are athletes. Guess what? You can't just be an awesome football player, basketball player, swimmer, runner. If you just like sit around and don't practice, you have to work those muscles, just like your brain is a muscle. Work those muscles, eat right for your body, and you have to practice the skills. So in math, we practice math skills, life skills too. I practice my life skills too and my math skills. And you need to practice every day, especially stuff that you're not good at. If you know what you're not good at, because there are things that I'm like, I'm really not good at this. So let me work on that, whatever it is, whether it's school related, house related, family related, personally related, whatever it is. Just work on whatever you're not good at so you just get better. That's how you get better. All right, so here's my chart right there. All right, so we have 325 is broken down into 300, 20, and 5 in expanded form. 48 is 40 and 8. So in this box, we're going to multiply 300 times 40. What about this box? The 20 times the 40. And how about this box? 5 times 40 or 40 times 5. And in this box, we do the 300 times the 8, or 8 times 300, 20 times 8 in this box, and then 5 times 8 in that box. Remember, we're doing the shortcut where we multiply the digits and then add the zeros. So I'm going to go ahead and circle those digits. 4, 8, 3, 2, and then 5, just like that. All right, so you ready? That first box, what is 4 times 3? 4 times 3 is 12. How many zeros do you see? 3 zeros. Just like that. All right. And we'll just go across the top. 40 times 20 is, like 4 times 2 is what? That's 8. How many zeros do you see? 2. So that's an 800. Just like that. And then 40 times 5 is the same thing as 4 times 5, which is 20. And then add that 1 0. So don't get confused. Don't put 2 and then just that 1 0, because look, 4 times 5 is 20 right there, and then add that 0. All right, this one right here. 300 times 8 is like 3 times 8, which is 24. Add 2 zeros. And then what's the next one? Did I say 20 times? What did I just say? 3 times 8. What? I'm like going crazy. 3 times 8, 24. Got that right. All right, now 20 times 8 is like 2 times 8, which is 16. Add that 1 0. And then the last one, 5 times 8 is 40. And now what do? We need to add everything together. 12,000 plus 2,400. So when I put these in order, I like to go in order from the greatest number to the least number, okay? Not in any order going left and right, because sometimes you have bigger numbers or smaller numbers wherever they are. So I'll go by the order of greatest to least. So then I have 800 and then 200. Now you can go any order you want to. That's fine. You'll get the same answer. Just make sure they're lined up just like that. Okay? You ready to add? Let's add 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. 0. I have a question for you. How much is it if I add 0 4,000 times? 0. That was a trick question. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 4,000 times 0. All right, the next one, 6 plus 4 is 10. Right, the 0 plus 1. And now when you have a lot of digits like that you want to add, I like to look at numbers that go together well. So I would do 8 and 2, which is what? 10. And then add 10, 11. No, 10 plus the 4 is 14, and then 15, and then 16. Or you could just go in order. You could do 1 and 4 is 5, plus 8 is 13, plus 2 is 15, plus 1 is 16. But I'd rather do the easy way. You can pick whichever way you want to do it. So what was that again? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 6 plus 1. And then 2 and 2 is what? 4 plus the 1 is 5. And then bring down that 1. Put your comma right there. And they match. And they match our answer in the calculator. So I am done with number 1. You should be done with number 1. Again, here are the problems for the day. Get the rest of them done. Remember, do both ways, the standard algorithm and the area model partial products. You should already have your evaluating expressions done. If not, go back and do that. Find the video for that. I'm going to try to link some videos elsewhere. I'm going to figure that out. But for right now, everything is up on YouTube. There are 2 videos for you to watch today. Get that done. If you have not done Monday warm-ups, find the video for that. Monday multiplication practice, find the video for that. Tuesday warm-ups, bam. And your Tuesday multiplication right there, and then Wednesday. Thumbs up if you are done with everything. Yes, you are a boss, a math boss. That's right. Slay that math. Dab on that math every day. Once you get it right, you can't dab on it if you're not done and you don't have it right. So get that done. Practice every day. Practice your multiplication facts, because, we might have a surprise fluency drill on Friday. So make sure, surprise fluency drill on Friday, maybe. So make sure you practice that, all right? I want your times awesome on that and knowing all your facts. All right, I love you. DJ Scrap reminding you, always have your scrap paper when you're working on math. All right, love you.